In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Bolt.new Project quick and easy. Exporting your work from Bolt doesn't have to be complicated, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll be confident doing it in seconds. We'll move from opening the builder to picking the right project to triggering the export with a few practical tips along the way to keep things smooth. Start by going to the Bolt AI builder in your browser. When the page loads, look to the left side of the screen. If the navigation is collapsed, simply hover your mouse over the left-hand edge and the sidebar will slide out. This panel is where you'll find your workspaces and projects. Give the page a moment to finish loading so the list populates correctly. That prevents clicking into an empty state or a half-loaded view. Now choose the project you want to export. If you have a long list, scroll through carefully or use the search field at the top of the sidebar to quickly filter to your project's name. Click the project to open it. You should now see the project canvas, files, or builder view depending on how your workspace is set up. Wait for the indicators or spinners to settle so you know everything inside the project is fully ready. Exporting from a fully loaded view helps avoid missing assets in the final package. With the project open, click on Export. The export control is typically located near the top right of the interface or within the project menu. It may appear as a button labeled Export or as an icon with a drop-down. Click it once, no need to double-click, and allow a few seconds for Bolt to prepare the package. Your browser should begin downloading the export automatically, usually to your default downloads folder. If a confirmation dialog appears, simply confirm to proceed. If there are optional settings, you can keep the defaults for a quick and easy export. That's it. In just a few clicks, you went to the builder, selected your project, and triggered the export. For best results, keep a stable internet connection during export. Note where your browser saves downloads and consider renaming the file after it lands so you can track versions. If you don't see the export option, make sure you're inside the correct project view and refresh the page if the interface looks out of date. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.